This is how you're going to start your financial journey in 2024. So, the position you're probably in is you're working a job you don't like, you have little to no money, you have been trying to change your life but it isn't working. You feel like all these financial YouTubers are lying to you, all these financial gurus are just lying to you. They're wasting your time. You don't know what to do next. You don't know the next step. You feel like you're failing in all aspects of life. And the position you probably want to be in is you want to make more. You want to make more to do what you want, like more money so you can do what you want, buy what you want, eat what you want, and change your lifestyle overall. So you most likely want to be like Iman or Luke, and there is a way to get there. The thing is that the past you've been watching people tell you do this, do this, do that, do that, but you've been trying and it ain't working properly because you're missing a few aspects of that, and the things you're trying to do are probably some passive income scams and stuff. Not scams, but stuff that won't make you a lot of money or aren't really even passive income. Because I made a video recently talking about how passive income is a scam. You should check that out, by the way. But if you want to get to financial freedom, the most important thing you need to do is provide value for people. So your viewers or customers have to gain something from you. They have to benefit from interacting with you, whether they are clients, customers, or viewers on YouTube. They have to benefit. They need to gain something from you. So how do you provide value to your clients or viewers? There are three ways. You can either solve a problem for them, provide information, be entertaining. By solve a problem, you fix something in their life that they are having trouble with fixing themselves. So you provide the solution to that. And providing information, give them particular information they're seeking out, or information they may not be seeking out but is of use to them, or provide some other sort of value to them. And being entertaining is where you provide humor or laughter to them, or you basically satisfy their wants, I would say, during their leisure time, in simple sense. So examples of providing value, which I gave above, the three ways, but in practical sense, we have, for solving problems, we have Hassan from H Educate. He creates videos on business and marketing. So the problem he's solving is how to start a business and how to market the business. So the problem is that a viewer will arrive to his channel with the question of how do I start a business? Then he'll provide that information for them and solve that problem of how to start a business, usually involving AI, stuff like that. Then another problem will arise of how does he market it? Then he also solves that problem. So he's providing value by solving the problem of how to start a business and how to market a business. That's how he provides value. Then the next is providing information. A good example I would give is Mr. Who's the Boss, and he creates videos on technology. So he provides his viewers with information about technology. It's as simple as that. So all his videos, or not all, but most of his videos, are about technology. He reviews technology and gives the viewer information about said products. So the viewer gains information about a certain product, and it might influence the viewer to purchase it or make a decision about the product. So he provides value by providing information to the viewer. Then in terms of entertaining, this is where most gamers and Reacts channel fall in. So an example is PewDiePie. He creates gaming and reaction videos. I think his channel, the first videos were about gaming, but he also creates reaction videos. So he entertains his viewers with his humor, content, and reactions. That's how he provides value. So whether you're comedic, you make people laugh, or your reactions they're weird or cool, you know what I mean. So you provide value to your viewers or clients, then that value is what makes these guys successful. So he provides humor, that's why he gets views. Mr. Who's the Boss provides information, that's why he gets views. And Hassan solves problems, and that's how he gets views. So the key is providing value. That's how you increase your outreach to the world, so that you can increase your sort of profile and you can market the value you are giving out. In simple sense, if you want to be financially free, you have to provide value, because none of these things like download this app and it will pay you that it will help you for a short run, but not for in the long run. And as I said, passive income is mostly a scam, so you need to actually provide value to a client. So in the simple sense, if you provide value, people will be attracted to you, and when they're attracted to you, you can monetize that attraction or attention you're getting. That's how you will be financially set. And you can do this with anything, whether it's business or YouTube or anything else. If you're just trying to grow something, it's simple as that, providing value, as simple as that. So I'll be dropping all this information on my Telegram, so if you want to check it out, link in the description or in my bio, as well as X. I'm active there. If you want to reach out, you can DM me on X. The link will be in the description as well. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like the video, share, and thanks for watching.